friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. In today's video, I will show you how to plant a pro-tray method turmeric into the field. If you have seen the previous part, we have already covered how to sow the rhizomes into the pro-tray. Now our rhizomes are getting ready, and today's video we will see how to plant it into the field. We have also covered the growth stage of the turmeric into the video. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now you can see it has been 10 days since we have planted the rhizomes into this pro-tray, and you can see that sproutings are coming out. Few has sprouted to the leaf also, but remaining are sprouting. Almost 70 to 80% shoots are coming out. We need to maintain another 20 days into the pro-tray, maintaining the moisture. Now you can see it has been 20 days since we have planted these rhizomes into the pro-tray, and almost all the rhizomes are sprouted and growing well. You can see that it has developed up to a 2-leaf stage. We need to grow it another 12 to 15 days into the same pro-tray and wait further till it reaches the 4 to 5 leaf stage. After that, we'll plant it into the field. We'll keep you updated on the progress of this plant. So now let us see what is the condition of our turmeric which we have planted into pro-trays. So you can see that now all the turmeric, most of the turmeric seeds rhizomes are germinated, and now it has started developing third and fourth leaf. It has achieved a height of around 7 to 8 inch, and the rain is also started. So we can transplant this into the field now. So you can see the growth of this, and I will pick up one point. You see this? This is a rhizome, and these are the roots which are developed. So now we will transfer this directly into the field. I will show you how to transplant it into field also. Now you can see that we are picking up the plants from the tray. We are doing this due to few of the seeds have grown very well and few are lagging behind. So what we are doing, which are grown well, we are picking those and collecting into the bucket. You can see that the seeds are now, these seeds are very healthy. You can see the root ball and the growth of the plant. It is almost 8 to 10 inch high, even more than that. So remaining plants we will plant once they grow fully. So now you can see we are planting turmeric into the field. You can see that the rhizomes which we have sowed directly into the soil has already sprouted, and you can see those rhizomes. Similar pattern, we are planting this our seedlings, turmeric seedlings, into the line. We are maintaining 8 to 10 inch distance between the row and 8 to 10 inch between the plants. It's very simple to sow this into the field. As it is a monsoon condition, we will not require to water it, but if the rain is not there for another couple of days, then we will need to water it. Once all the sowing is over, our turmeric plantation will look something like this. You can see this, all these seedlings we have planted.